was just on the phone. Time didn't change. Here I come. You hear this music? Hey, listen. Niggas gonna be pitching on the YouTuber. Take a look around, you gon' see nobody smoother. And I gotta go pooper. Why I gotta do pooper every time I'm back on the scene? Looking kinda mean, your boy looking clean. I don't understand what the plan is, but I go with the flow. You already know that the bro so cold. C-O-R-Y. Listen to the you know what's going on me. Real quick, I'm about to go spit on the mic. Everybody know every time I do it right. You know what I'm doing is about to be nighttime. Actually, it is 9:39 and I'm coming in the bar. It's wine, you understand. Do it every single time and I'm about to keep it going. If I stutter, I'ma bring it back one more time. Name is Corey Kitchen. I'm a